Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great and I hope you really had a good weekend. Particularly we need to have some good time, especially during these times. Last 3 days of frustration. I don't know really how you people are handling this issue. So much of volatility. People even I am feeling very hard to handle this volatility. Last 3 days of Nifty is trying to break 16,800 and it is not happening, and DIIs are first, it's like first half is coming down, FIIs are selling so much hard, and second half DIIs are buying so much, and today also DIIs have bought more than what FIIs have sold. And this issue is, I don't have to talk much about the issue. The issue is about banking issue going on in the US. They started with the SVB bank, then they came to Credit Suisse, then they told USB will be merging or acquiring Credit Suisse. And today morning there came out a news when this merger happened, there were bonds, 81 bonds, which is convertible bonds. So they told when this UBS and Credit Suisse merge into one, they told that this bonds will be worthless. So it's worth 17 billion worth of bonds going worthless. HSBC, Citigroup, JP Morgan Chase, all these banks had huge bonds in Credit Suisse, and when this merger happened, you know what happened? They told this bonds, whatever 81 bonds which these companies, HSBC banks, HSBC Bank, Citigroup, and JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo had, is worthless. So that's not 1 rupee or 2 rupees, $17 billion worth of bond going worthless, gone into thin air. Then you know what happened? Market started falling like anything. I didn't expect 16,800 to be broken. That was also broken. And second half, you know what happened? It is a U-turn. So in terms of candlestick pattern, if you see it in a candlestick pattern, I think this is a dodgy or hanging man or shooting star. I don't know. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty, 3 days of volatility. I hope this level is going to sustain now. Now you can see that DIs are not allowing Nifty to go below 16,800. They are buying huge quantities. They are buying more than what FIIs are selling for the last 3 trading session. In spite of FIIs are having huge short position in index future. You will not believe they have increased the index short future so much, like from 111,000 to 197,000 contracts, active contracts, almost 50% increase in index futures shorts. They are having, FIIs are having, still DIIs are not letting it down. I don't know what is going to happen. And if you think today was volatile, tomorrow is going to be much more fun. If you are fond of adventures, go and trade FinNifty expiry tomorrow. It will be very fun. Really, only God knows what is going to happen tomorrow. I really don't know. And after that also, day after tomorrow, we have a very important event, which is the Fed event that is coming on 22nd around 11:30 p.m. And I have seen people, I read somewhere that this time Federal Reserve may pause the interest rate hike. Already China did, the People's Bank of China did, and this time maybe Federal Reserve may pause the interest rate hike, or maximum they will go by 25 basis point hike. So these are the collateral damage. These are the collateral damage what is happening when interest rates are hiking. And if you are adamant and if you want to still increase the interest rate, honestly speaking, these people don't know what to do. They have to increase the interest rate. Banks are falling apart. Bond yields are coming down. All these are happening because of interest rate hike. Only God knows what is going to happen. I'm having some huge positions in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today morning we did some adjustment. Immediately market reverted. We lost some money. Still we are having little hope. And you know what is happening? The best part is markets are crashing, call options are not losing premium. At the same time put options are increasing like anything. That is because of India VIX. India VIX alone jumped more than 7. At one point it was up by more than 12%. It crossed 15, 16 levels, and eventually end of the day it was around 7 or 8% up. Still it is on the higher side only. So we will see how things pan out. For now, what I think is, even if Bank Nifty or even if Nifty, if you see the Nifty chart, even if it goes up, I think 17,200 is going to be 250 levels is going to be very, very hard to be taken out in terms of Nifty, and in terms of Bank Nifty, it is going to be around 40,000 level, which is going to be very hard to take if there is any positive news. So next 2 days also you will feel the volatility. Markets are going to be super volatile. So be cautious, and there is nothing, we cannot avoid these kind of things. Binary event, when there is binary event, when there is a global meltdown happening, there is nothing we can do. We have to observe this volatility. And you know what the big joke is? Even the US future is just falling by 0.5%. 400% is just 0.5% of Dow Jones. S&P Nasdaq futures are just down by 0.5%. Nifty is damn down by 2.5%, and Bank Nifty is down by 1.5%. 2%. Nifty is down by 2%, 2% plus, and Bank Nifty is down by 1.5%. What? I don't know why we have to react. Why Indian market has to react? It is like, their problem or our problems, but our problems are not their problems. I don't know. Now Adani Hindenburg issue is forgotten. All other issue is forgotten. Now the only issue is banking issue. Only God save us. Let us see another 9 or 8 trading session to go. But this thing, Fed event is coming around the corner, and we really don't know what is going to happen. In terms of Bank Nifty, that's why I'm saying, even if it goes up, it is going to be very hard for 40,000 unless until we have a very good news. Let's say a Federal Reserve is pausing the interest rate. They don't want to increase the interest rate this time. Okay. So this is almost 1 year of it's been 1 year since Federal Reserve has been increasing the interest rate. Let's say this 1 year of interest rate hike. Let's say this time they don't increase the interest rate. Let's say it is flat, or let's say it is flat. Then we might see Bank Nifty going above 40,000 and Nifty moving across 17,250 levels. Unless until that is not happening, we will have to fluctuate. We will have to see whether it is dodgy pattern. But what many people are saying is that whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, these three dodges continuously is a sign of market reversing only, they are saying. So 3 days of indecisiveness means that the market may reverse, is what I heard. And I also heard that Federal Reserve is going to pause the interest rate because of this issue. It might be a rumor, it might be a conspiracy. I really don't know about that. Like you, I also don't know what might happen. I have huge position, I have put options written. So we will have to wait and see. And market-wise participant, if you are following us, you can observe this. 1,93,662 active contracts in future index short. That is huge, very huge. That is almost 50% increase in short position, index short position, and 21,983. You know previously how much this was? This was just 36 or 37,000. Long position, they are decreasing the long position, at the same time drastically increasing the short position in index future. So these are all the things they have to come down. It has to come down. This 193,000 has to come down somehow. If it is not coming down, then it's going to create a serious problem. Maybe something which we don't know, FIIs are having information about. And in terms of open interest, if I see, it is all over the place. I cannot this is 17,000 put option is being written, and literally there is no call option at all. Call options is at 17,000. Maybe somebody has bought this, and 17,200 call option is also being written. There is no put option at all. Obviously, who is going to be trading in this kind of market, right? So maybe everyone is waiting for Federal Reserve to come out with the interest rate hike. And Bank Nifty also, there is no call or put rating, significant put rating. Call rating is happening at 40,000, 39,500 and 40,500. So these things, open interest doesn't have any significance. And FIIs have sold for around 2,545 crores, and DIIs have bought for 2,876 crores. So you let me know what you think, what might happen in the future, whether it is DIIs who are going to win, whether the market is going to sustain this 16,800 levels or 39,500 levels Bank Nifty, or it is going to touch 40,000, 17,200 for Nifty. So we'll have to wait and see. Only God knows. Okay. So be cautious. Always hedge your position. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.